Good day, kids. How are you? I hope that you are feeling great. I am Sir Kim, and welcome to our English class. Last week, you learned about identifying main idea, key sentence, and supporting details. This week, we will be discussing about using graphic organizers to show understanding of text. After going through this lesson, you're expected to tell what happens at the beginning, middle, and end of the story using story sequence organizers. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is a graphic organizer? Graphic organizers are visual charts and tools used to represent and organize a student's knowledge or ideas, often used as a part of the writing process to help students map out ideas, plots, character details, and settings. Graphic organizers require students to stop and think about what is important while they are reading. They are great to use as a tangible way for students to record their thinking before, during, or after reading. Sequencing. Sequencing is a reading comprehension strategy that helps students identify the components in a story, including the beginning, middle, and end. The signal words like first, next, then, and finally are used to show the order of events. It also involves the ability to summarize and retell the events in a story or text in the order in which they happen. Read the paragraph and answer the questions orally. Now, answer the following questions orally. When did the story happen? Where did the story happen? What do you call this part of the story? Do all stories need settings? Why? Who are the characters in the story? How did the characters solve the problem? How did the story end? Now, let us look at this illustration. Notice that the events from the story are written inside the boxes. We call these boxes a graphic organizer. Graphic organizers can be used to show sequence of events in a story. Now, you may begin answering the learning tasks. Read the selection. Retell the events using the graphic organizer. Use the signal words first, next, then, and finally. Read the selection. Take note of the events by filling in the graphic organizer below. Write a sentence and draw a picture to show the correct order of events from the story. Arrange the events to form a story. Write each event in the appropriate box. Be guided by the signal words. Read the events. Then, arrange the events logically using graphic organizer. Movies are stories as well. Think of your favorite movie and use the graphic organizer in identifying important events. Choose your favorite story. Use graphic organizer in identifying the important events. Use the signal words first, next, then, and finally. Fill in the graphic organizer below with the appropriate orders of events. Use the signal words first, next, then, and finally to complete the sentence. I hope that you learned how to use graphic organizers to show understanding of text. See you again next week here in our English class.